Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of strength training, exploring 7 exercises that are absolutely essential for building a strong and powerful physique. These aren't your average gym class warm-ups. We're talking about the heavy hitters, the movements that form the bedrock of any serious training program. We'll break down each exercise step by step so you can master the technique and unlock your full potential. We're talking squats, deadlifts, bench presses, overhead presses, pull-ups, rows, the classics. And because we like to keep things interesting, we're throwing in a bonus 7th exercise that's guaranteed to challenge you in new ways. Get ready to push your limits and discover the incredible strength you have within. Let's kick things off with the squat, often hailed as the king of all exercises. And for good reason. This powerhouse move is a staple in any serious fitness regimen, and it's not just for bodybuilders or athletes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, mastering the squat can bring tremendous benefits to your overall strength and fitness. This full-body movement targets your quads, hamstrings, glutes, basically everything you need for powerful legs and a rock-solid core. But that's not all. Squats also engage your lower back, abs, and even your shoulders, making it a comprehensive exercise that promotes muscle growth and endurance. Stand with your feet a bit wider than shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointed out. This stance helps in maintaining balance and ensures that you can lower yourself comfortably. Keep your chest up, core engaged, and back straight. This posture is crucial for preventing injuries and maximizing the effectiveness of the squat. Now imagine you're sitting back into a chair, lowering your hips until your thighs are parallel to the ground. This movement should be controlled and deliberate, focusing on the muscles you're engaging. Drive through your heels to return to the starting position, squeezing your glutes at the top. This ensures that you're using the right muscles and not putting unnecessary strain on your knees. Remember, form is key. Keep that back straight and don't let your knees cave in. Proper alignment is essential for avoiding injuries and getting the most out of your workout. Master the basic squat, and you'll unlock a world of variations. Front squats, goblet squats, Bulgarian squats, the possibilities are endless. Each variation targets different muscle groups and adds a new challenge to your routine, keeping your workouts fresh and exciting. Next up, we're tackling the deadlift, a true test of strength and a cornerstone of any serious fitness regimen. This exercise is not just about lifting heavy weights, it's about building a foundation of power and resilience. The deadlift is a fantastic way to build a powerful posterior chain, which includes some of the most important muscles in your body. We're talking hamstrings, glutes, all the muscles that help you lift heavy objects in everyday life. These muscles are crucial for maintaining good posture and preventing injuries. To start, stand with your feet hip-width apart, with a barbell over your shoelaces. This positioning is key to ensuring a stable and effective lift. Bend at your hips, keeping your back straight and your core engaged. This helps protect your spine and maximizes the efficiency of the lift. Grip the bar with an overhand grip just outside your knees. This grip provides the best leverage and control during the lift. Now take a deep breath and lift the bar off the ground by extending your hips and knees simultaneously. This coordinated movement is what makes the deadlift so effective. Keep that bar close to your body throughout the movement. This ensures that you maintain proper form and reduce the risk of injury. Lower the bar back to the ground with control, reversing the motion. This part of the lift is just as important as the initial pull. Remember, the deadlift is all about maintaining a strong and stable spine. A strong spine is the foundation of a strong body. Keep that core engaged, and don't be afraid to start with lighter weights until you perfect your form. Mastering the basics will set you up for long-term success and prevent injuries. It's time to hit the bench press, a classic exercise for building a strong and muscular chest, shoulders, and triceps. Lie down on a bench with your feet flat on the floor. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart, with your wrists aligned. Lower the bar slowly to your chest, keeping your elbows tucked in at a 45-degree angle. Push the bar back up to the starting position, squeezing your chest muscles at the top. Remember, control is key. Don't bounce the bar off your chest and make sure you're using a weight that challenges you without compromising your form. And don't be afraid to explore variations like incline presses or dumbbell presses to target different muscle groups. Overhead press. Stand tall with shoulder strength and stability. Let's move on to the overhead press, an essential exercise for building strong and stable shoulders. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height. Your elbow should be slightly in front of your body. Press the dumbbell straight up overhead, extending your arms fully. Lower the dumbbells back to the starting position with control. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout the movement, and avoid arching your back. Focus on maintaining a neutral spine and engaging your shoulder muscles. For an extra challenge, try variations like the push press or the Arnold press. Pull-ups. Conquer the bar with back strength and grip endurance. Now it's time to conquer the pull-up, a true test of upper body strength that targets your back, biceps, and forearms. Grip a pull-up bar with an overhand grip slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Hang from the bar with your arms fully extended. Pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar, engaging your back muscles. Lower yourself back down with control. If you're new to pull-ups, don't worry. Start with assisted pull-up machines or resistance bands to build your strength. As you get stronger, you can progress to negative pull-ups or even add weight for an extra challenge. Row your way to a stronger back and better posture. Rowing exercises are a fantastic way to build a strong, muscular back and improve your overall posture. They are essential for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine and prevent those dreaded rounded shoulders that come from poor posture. These exercises target the major muscles in your back, including the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and trapezius. By strengthening these muscles, you not only improve your posture but also enhance your ability to perform other exercises and daily activities with better form and less risk of injury. There are countless variations of rowing exercises, each with its own unique benefits. However, we'll focus on two of the most effective and popular ones, bent-over rows and seated cable rows. These exercises are staples in any strength training program and can be performed with minimal equipment. For bent-over rows, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a barbell with an overhand grip. This exercise primarily targets the upper and middle back, helping to build thickness and strength. Bend at your hips, keeping your back straight. It's crucial to maintain a neutral spine to avoid any strain or injury. Your torso should be almost parallel to the floor. Pull the barbell towards your chest, keeping your elbows close to your body. Focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement to maximize muscle engagement. For seated cable rows, sit down on the machine with your feet flat on the platform. This exercise is excellent for targeting the lower and middle back, as well as the biceps and forearms. Grab the handles with an overhand grip. Ensure that your grip is firm but not overly tight to avoid unnecessary tension in your forearms. Pull the handles towards your chest, keeping your back straight and shoulders down. It's important to avoid leaning back too far or using momentum to complete the movement. Remember to engage your back muscles throughout the movement, and avoid using momentum. This ensures that you are effectively working the target muscles, and not relying on other parts of your body to complete the exercise. Consistent practice of these rowing exercises will lead to a stronger back and better posture over time. Lunges. Step up your leg strength and balance. For our seventh and final exercise, we're adding in lunges, a fantastic way to build leg strength, improve balance, and target those quads, glutes, and hamstrings. Step forward with your right leg and lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the ground and your left knee is close to the floor. Push off your front foot to return to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Keep your upper body upright and your core engaged throughout the movement. Want to mix it up? Try reverse lunges, walking lunges, or even side lunges for an added challenge. So there you have it, the 7 powerhouse exercises that will help you unlock your inner strength and build a physique that's both powerful and resilient. We've covered squats, deadlifts, bench presses, overhead presses, pull-ups, rows, and lunges, a complete package for total body strength. Remember, consistency is key. Make these exercises a regular part of your training routine, and don't be afraid to challenge yourself with heavier weights or more challenging variations as you progress. Now get out there, push your limits, and show me what you're made of. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your progress in the comments below. Let's do this.